Hello YouTube family, let's provide a solution given this nice exponential equation which is 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x. This is equal to 80. So what is the value of x? Now solution to this problem, we have that 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x is common. So we can factor out 4 raised to power x so that we'll have 1 plus 1. This is equal to 80. Okay. Now from here, we're going to have 4 raised to power x multiplying by 2 from 1 plus 1. This is 2. So this is equal to 80. Okay. So from here, we divide both signs by 2 so that we're going to have 4 raised to power x. This is equal to 40. Okay. So if you simplify here, this is 40. Now from here, to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm as follows. We have log 4 raised to power x. This is equal to log 40. Okay. Now again from here, you find that 4, this 4 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 2. 2 squared is the same as 4. And this 40 can be expressed as 8 multiplying by 5. Okay. And this 8 also can be expressed as 2 raised to power 3 times 5. All right. Now from here, we are going to have log 2 raised to power 2x. Okay. This is equal to log 2 raised to power 3 multiplying by 5. Now applying the logarithm power rule property that states that if you have log a raised to power n, this can be expressed as n log a. Okay, so let's apply this property. Now from what we have here, we are going to have 2x log 2. This is equal to log 2 raised to power 3 multiplying by 5. Okay, so we have 2x log 2 is equal to log 2 raised to power 3 multiplying by 5. Now as you can see from the right hand side, log 2 raised to power 3 multiplying by 5, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which can be expressed as log a plus log b. Okay, so let's transform this, let's use this property so that we're going to have 2x log 2. This is equal to log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5. Okay, now from this, we'll have 2x log 2. This is equal to, now log 2 raised to power 3, applying the logarithm power rule that states that if you have log n raised to power m, this can be expressed as n log m. Okay, so let's apply this property so that we're going to have 2x log 2. This is equal to 3 log 2 plus log 5. Okay, so we divide both sides by log 2, divide by log 2, and the same case here by log 2. Okay, now from here, we simplify this so that we're going to have 2x. This is equal to 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2. Okay, now again, as you can see, log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can transform as log a to base b. This is the same thing. So you're going to have 2x. This is equal to 3 plus log 5 to base 2. Okay, so we divide both signs by 2 so that now the value of x is equal to 3 plus log 5 to base 2, divide everything by 2. Okay, so this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Okay, let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify that this value of x, which is 3 plus log 5 to base 2 divided by 2, satisfies the equation. So as you might recall, we end that 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x, this is equal to 80, okay? And 4 raised to power x is common, so that we're going to have 4 raised to power x. This is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 80. And we simplify this, so that we have that 4 raised to power x, this is equal to 40, okay? So we substitute the value of x. We're going to have, this is 4 raised to power, now we have 3 plus log 5 to base 2 divided by 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 40, okay? Now from this case, we have that 4 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 2, okay? So you're going to have 2 raised to power 2, then 3 plus log 5 to base 2, divide everything by 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. Now as you can see, we simplify these 2 and 2, so that we're going to have 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 to base 2, and this is equal to 40. Now as you can see, 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can just transform as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, okay? So let's transform this. We're going to have 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 40, okay? So now from here, we have that 2 raised to power 3, that is 2 raised to power 3, this is equal to 8, all right? And 2 raised to power log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of a raised to power log b to base a. This essentially is supposed to give us a value of a, okay? So from what we have 2 raised to power log 5 to base 2, this is equal to 5, okay? So let's substitute the value of 5, so that we're going to have 2 raised to power 3, we have seen this is 8, multiplying by 5, this is supposed to give us a value of 40. So as you can see, this is 8 times 5, which is 40, which is equal to 40. And this shows that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, okay, that affirms that the value of x, which is 3 plus log 5 to base 2 divided by 2, satisfies the equation. So follow the steps and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.